My credit score was literally in the toilet. I, at best, was high fives. I never thought I would be where I am today with an 824 credit score and more lines of credit than I know what to do with. My most recent line of credit and credit card that I received $100,000 unsecured line of credit and $100,000 unsecured credit card. And that was just from one of the funding sources that I worked with. I ended up with an interest rate of prime +1. Listen to the team, listen to Meryl, let them guide you, and they're going to bring you out the other side to levels that you just never even dreamed of. And that's the truth. I never thought I would be here, and here I am. If you are considering working with Meryl and Get Fundable, there should not even be a slight hesitation. Just do it. Do it, do it, do it. I knew that they would not steer me wrong, and that was of great, great comfort to me. I'm so thankful to Meryl and the team and recommend them to everybody.